Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is a video on how to felt. These are my ugly elf slippers that I made out of some leftover wool that I had. So I thought since I'm going to felt them, I would show you how to do it. Now you do need to have 100% wool. It can be any type of wool. It could be, not necessarily from a sheep. It can be Angora, cashmere. I accidentally felted a cashmere sweater once. Yeah, but anyway, you can do those things, but it has to be 100% wool. These slippers are both just slightly a little too big for me. One of the few small parts of me is my feet, definitely not my mouth. So anyway, I'm going to felt them, so let's get started. All right, we are in my laundry room and I am going to get ready to felt those slippers. So the first thing I'm going to be using is, I figure I might as well wash it while I'm at it. So this is from the Dollar Tree and it's just called Wool Wash. It's the same as Wool Light, but just a cheaper brand. I am going to set my washer setting here all the way to hot, and then I'm going to set my water setting down to small. And what I'm going to be putting in is the slippers and some towels, just because it just seems to help it felt better. So these are just some old towels, and I'm going to toss those in and put my wool wash in. And I'm not measuring, I'm just, there we go. Not much, just a little bit. And then I'm just going to let this run through the regular cycle. So we'll check it when it's done. They now have gone through the washer and they have felted. Sometimes it takes more than one time, but these have actually felted on the first try. You can see the fuzziness here, and it's definitely like a thicker feeling. You can see the fuzzy right there and along the edges here. So it has it has felted, and now I could either lay it to air dry and just lay them here, or I could put them in the dryer on low heat. I'm not going to put them in the dryer because I'm afraid they'll felt too much and they'll shrink too much. So at this point I'm just going to let them lay and just let them air dry, and we'll look at them in a little bit. And we have our completed felted sock. I'm going to try to get this close so you can see it. You can see the fuzziness in here where it is felted. Over on this side, you can see it. It has made it much thicker. So you can see it has a halo along the top. You can see the halo, the fuzzy right along here. And here's the other one, and this one you can maybe see some of the felting a little better. You can still see stitch definition, but it's definitely blended more. Maybe on the red, there you can really see it. So you can still see there's stitch definition here, but it is felted together so that it's more of a solid fabric, which makes it thicker. You can see on the bottom where my seam was, it doesn't, I mean, it's still there, but it's definitely blended in more. So, yep, this is the felting of the ugly elf slippers. So, yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please stay tuned each Saturday for my Saturday podcasts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. Just click that little red button right down there below. And if you click the little bell icon next to it, it will notify you anytime I post a video, which is always on a Saturday, sometimes, usually, probably on a Wednesday, and sometimes other days during the week. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on Saturday.